22 iPhone tips and tricks for new users step-by-step guide. We'll be sharing 22 essential iPhone tips and tricks, perfect for new users. If you recently switched to an iPhone or simply want to learn more about your device, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Tips number 1. Customize your home screen. One of the best things about smartphone is the ability to customize your home screen. Here are some steps you can follow. You can press and hold on an empty area of your home screen until the app icon starts to jiggle. After that, you can add or remove apps icon and widget as desired. You can also choose a new wallpaper or theme. Back to your lock screen. After that, you can press and hold on the screen. Then you can select a new wallpaper based on your preference here. For example, I'm going to choose this. Tips number 2. Manage your apps. With so many apps available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Here are some tips for managing your apps. Go to your app drawer, and then you can press and hold on an app you want to remove. Drag the app to remove. To organize your apps, you can create a new folder by dragging one app icon onto another icon. After you drag, you're going to create a new folder. Tips number 3. Extend battery life. No one wants a dead phone halfway through the day. Here are some tips to help you extend your battery life. You can turn off unnecessary features such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and location services when not in use. You can also reduce your screen brightness. For example, from the control center, we can reduce the brightness of your screen. You can also use battery saving modes. Or you can also close unused apps on your phone. Tips number 4. Use shortcuts and gesture. Using shortcut and gesture can help you save time and make navigating your phone easier. Here are some examples. You can swipe down from the top left of your screen to access your notification panel. Or you can also swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. You can also swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access your app drawer. Tips number 5. Customize your setting. Customize your setting to optimize your phone performance. Here's how. Go to Setting. From there, you can adjust your display and sound setting. For example, if you want adjust your display, you can tap on Display and Brightness. You can adjust or set the display and brightness from here. Or maybe if you want to adjust the sound, you can select on Sound and Haptic, and you can also make a setting for the sound for your iPhone from here. You also can customize your notification from here, and don't forget to explore additional settings for your specific phone mode. Tips number 6. Use airplane mode. You can use airplane mode to conserve battery life or when you are in an area with poor reception. Here's how. You can swipe down from the top right corner of your screen until you access control center. Then you can tap the airplane mode icon here to turn on airplane mode and customize the setting as desired. Tips number 7. Customize control center. To make your iPhone experience even more personalized, you can customize the control center to include the features you use the most. Here's how. You can go to setting and then select control center. From there, you can customize the control center feature. If you want to add a new feature, you can tap on the plus icon in the more control group here. Then it will be moved to the upper or include control group. Otherwise, if you want to remove or delete, you can tap on the minus or with the red dot icon here and then tap remove. Then your selected apps or feature will be removed from the control center. If you want to check, just access the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, and then you can see your selected feature will be added on this. You also can rearrange the order by dragging the three horizontal lines beside each item here. Tips number 8. Quick app switch. You can switch between apps seamlessly with this simple gesture. You can swipe left or right along the bottom edge of your screen to quickly navigate between open apps. Tips number 9. Text replacement shortcut. You can save time typing with this handy trick. Go to setting and then select general, then select keyboard. On this, you can tap on text replacement. From here, you can enter the phrase you want to use and its corresponding shortcut. How to do this? You can tap on the plus icon here and then you can enter the phrase and also the shortcut. For example, when I want to I love you, for the phrase I love you, and the shortcut, for example, I and L. After that, you can tap save. Then when you open your keyboard, for example, I'm using on Note, and then when I'm typing I and L, it will be shown on your keyboard the phrase that we already made. For example, on this, I love you. Tips number 10. Silent unknown callers. You can avoid spam calls with this feature. Go to setting and then select phone. Or maybe you can type in on the searching bar. Then you can select phone and make sure to switch on the silent unknown caller here. When you activate or switch on, you will be avoid or maybe silent the caller from someone you don't know. Tips number 11. Customize do not disturb. Fine-tune your do not disturb setting to avoid interruption. How to do this? Go to the setting and then you can select focus. From there, you can switch to do not disturb mode. On this, you can customize your setting such as schedule, allow notification from specific person, contact, or application, and exception. Tips number 12. Scan document with Notes app. You can scan document with Notes apps. Turn your iPhone into a scanner. Open the Notes apps on your iPhone. Then you can create a new note by tapping on this icon. Then you can tap on camera icon and choose scan document. And you can put your document on to your camera. You can align the document within the frame. After it's good, you can tap the shutter button. Then you can also resize the scanner or the size for your document here. After that, you can tap here. You can save your document by tapping Save. And then you can tap down. Tips number 13. Measure object with Measure app. Your iPhone can act as measuring tool. How to do this? You can open the Measure apps. If you don't have it yet, you can download or get it from your app store. After you already download, open the Measure app. Then point your camera at the object you want to measure. For example, I'm going to measuring this object. And then you can follow the on-screen instruction to take accurate measurements with this app. Tips number 14. Set up Face ID alternative appearance. You can set up Face ID alternative appearance and improve Face ID recognition with this feature. Go to Setting and then select Face ID and Passcode. From there, you can set up an alternative appearance. You can follow the on-screen instruction to add a new appearance from here. Tips number 15. Take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot or capture your screen with ease. How to do this? You can press the side button and volume button together, and then after that you can release both buttons quickly to capture the screenshot. Then I'm already captured the screenshot on my screen. Tip number 16. Set up back tap. You can set up back tap and access your favorite feature with a simple tap on the back of your iPhone. How to do this? You can go to Setting and then select Accessibility and then select Touch and select Back Tap. You can either select by double tap or triple tap. For example, here I'm back again. For double tap, it will activate the camera. And then I'm back again. For triple tap, I'm going to activate flashlight. Then, when we already set, we can try it by activate camera by double tap on my back tap phone. Then it will be activate the camera. And I'm going to triple tap on my back. Then it will be activate the flashlight. Tips number 17. How to activate Siri. To do this, you can go to the setting and then select Siri Answer, and there are two options by saying Hey Siri, or you can press Start button for activate Siri. You can either choose one of them, or maybe you can select or turn on for both of them. For example, I will choose only for press Start button for Siri. And then you can tap Enable Siri. Then, every time you press side button, the Siri will be activated. From there, you can ask Siri for doing a specific action. For example, giving a call, send message, or open a specific application. Tips number 18. Find my iPhone. You can set up this crucial feature to locate your device if it's lost. How to do this? Go to the setting and then tap on your name and then select Find My. Then make sure to Find My iPhone is turned on. Tips number 19. Dark mode. You can give your eyes a break and save battery life by activate the dark mode. How to do this? You can go to the setting and then select display and brightness, and then you can switch between light mode or dark mode here. Or you can also activate this on Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, and you can tap on the brightness slider. Then in the left bottom of your screen there are icon, there are a button dark mode. You can tap on it to turn it on, and you can tap again to turn it off. Tips number 20. Quick access to camera. How to quick access to camera and capture moment instantly? You can move to the lock screen. From the lock screen, you can swipe left to quickly access the camera app. Number 21. You can optimize battery charging to prolong your iPhone battery life. How to do this? Go to setting and then go to the battery and then battery health and charging. You can toggle on the optimized battery charging here. And there you have it, 21 essential iPhone tips and tricks for new user. We hope this video helped you make the most out of your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Leave a comment below if you have any question or tips of your own. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!